Hi guys, thanks for taking the time to independently work through this activity. I appreciate it. So here we go. What I need you to do first is to take this sheet that was left in your mailbox, and I need you to circle the top 10 values that are true for you. So go ahead and pause this video. Give yourself maybe 3 minutes max to do so. I'm assuming that you've got your top 10 core values, you've hit the play button again. So now what I want you to do is take that list of 10 and I need you to shrink it down to your top 5 core values. Go ahead and pause me, give yourself a minute to do this. Now that you're down to your top 5 core values, I promise this will be the last thing that I ask you to do. I need you to narrow those top 5 values down to your top 3 core values. Give yourself a couple minutes to do this. And now I just want you to take a few minutes to look at your 3 core values and kind of reflect. How does it feel as you look at those core values? How did it feel to do this activity to keep narrowing down your list of core values? How do your actions here at work or maybe outside of the workplace reflect those core values? Are there any core values that seem to show up more here in your work at Elmwood? And what I want you to do now is to take this red name tag and I want you to write your top 3 core values on this and stick this to the back of your laptop. And as we move through our day, our week, our meetings here at Elmwood, in an effort to cultivate community, trust, and compassion for one another, we're going to keep these core values visible. And as we're having conversations with one another, putting our opinions and viewpoints out on the table and doing what's best for kids, I want you to really work to keep others' core values in mind and show empathy for others to determine where they may be coming from in a way to keep positive presumptions at the forefront of the work that we do. So, again, thank you for taking the time to do this. I appreciate you being part of our team, and I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.